In this session, you'll be learning a very handy and useful technique called AJAX. With AJAX, you can perform a task instantly without loading the whole website. In our application, we're going to apply this technique to remove the photo instantly without refreshing the whole website. And now, our link is not working, so we're going to do it now. In our project under F controllers, we're going to create a photo controller. So I'm going to create a new file named photos underscore controller.rb, and I'm going to create a class named photos controller extend from application controller. In here, we're going to create a destroy action, and inside the destroy action, let's do the following code. So first, we need to get a photo that we want to delete by ID. And then we get the room of that photo. We need to know this to return all the remains photo of this room later on. Once we have that, just destroy that photos by photo.destroy. And then we're going to get a list of remain photos of that room by room's ID. And finally, we return to a JavaScript by say respond to JS. Why do we have to return to JavaScript? I will explain to you in a bit. But for now, let's go into update our list of photos. So under F, views, photos, open list.html.erb. And now here, we're going to say link to photo, and we're going to say remote to method would be delete, and the data, and say confirm, are you sure? Alright, and don't forget the close tag here. Okay, what we just done, we just create a link, alright, cover this icon, which is an X icon, and the important thing here is remote to. That means we're going to use this link for AJAX, and the method it will be delete. And once you click on this, there's a pop say, are you sure? Yes or no. Now I just realized that this one I missed just a colon, and here actually we need to do, alright, that's correct syntax. Save it. Now the very last step we need to do here is under views photos. We're going to create a new file named destroy.js.erb. And now here we're going to use a bit of jQuery. Now we're going to say hash photo .html, and inside here we're going to call a method of Rails, which is j render photos list, and save it. Now back to our controller. Now can you see that? After you've done the destroy, you respond to JS, and as Rail is about convention, this one is destroy action, and that's why it's going to execute this line because this one is a destroy.js. So where did this come from? The has photos. Now if you open the rooms and form.html.erb, scroll down to the part that you display the list of photos, which is this one. And now as you can see, the div here got an ID being photos, and that's the photo that we're talking about. And our jQuery script is going to replace the old content inside this div with a new content, which is a new list of photos after one being removed. Now that means after you remove one photo, this list is going to be refreshed without loading the whole page. Let me show you in action. Restart the server and go to localhost. And now if you're going to rooms, want and edit, if you scroll down here, now if you try to, for example, remove this one, click on here, it's going to ask you, are you sure? Click OK. Can you see that? It just removed the photo instantly without refreshing the page. And now we're going to do this. Awesome. Now every time you click here to remove the photo, Rails will execute the destroy action in the photo controller. Once it's removed the photo from database, it then responds to the destroy.js.erb and execute the jQuery for you. And the jQuery actually just refreshes the photo list only, so just this part only, without refreshing the whole page. So now you understand how things work. Well done! So you just finished the task number 5. I hope you enjoyed this task with some new skill of Rails along with minimum basic of CSS and jQuery. I'll see you in the next challenge.